Carbonnade Flamande. Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna start a series of winter recipe, how to cook slow beef in many different ways. Today I'm gonna make a super delicious recipe of slow cooked beef with beer, which is a typical recipe from the north of Europe. Carbonnade Flamande. Super delicious, easy to make, perfect for this coming wintertime season, guys. So let's see the ingredients here. Here we have 800 grams of beef. In this case, I take a simple ramp cap cut. You can use any type of cut you like. 1 onion. Then we go with the spicy, because the spicy are one of the most important ingredients of this recipe. Here we have a simple yellow mustard. Then 1 spoon of powdered glow, 1 spoon of brown sugar, and 1 spoon of cinnamon. Then we go with extra virgin olive oil, pinch of salt, 1 bottle of beer that's gonna give a special and delicious aroma and sauce to our Carbonnade Flamande, and some slice of bread. In this case, of course, I use my homemade ciabatta bread. Check the recipe, guys, how to make ciabatta bread. Here we are. Let's start to prepare our Carbonnade Flamande. First thing first, we're gonna take care of our very nice meat. We're gonna cut in small cubes. Easy peasy. This meat is gonna become full of flavors and very, very tender and juicy, guys. Here we are. Look at how beautiful is our meat. Now we take care of roast our meat first. Switch on the fire, medium high, okay? Make sure you have a pot that doesn't stick. Couple of rounds of extra virgin olive oil, and we put our meat inside. Then we're gonna roast it very nice and gently. Amazing. Here we are, guys. Look at how it's beautifully roasted. Now we switch off the fire and we take the meat and we put apart. Now we take care of our onion. We just roughly cut. Here we are. Now, guys, in the same very pan where we have this amazing juice of the meat, we're gonna add another round of extra virgin olive oil, and we're gonna put all our onion here. Switch on the fire, medium fire, 3-4 minutes the time we blend it, guys. How nice and blonde it's becoming our onion. Now, the first spice we're gonna add is gonna be this super nice spoon of brown sugar. Mamma mia, such an amazing smell already. Wow, look how beautiful it is. Our onion is very perfectly blonde and soft. Now, we add back our meat. We mix all together. Time to add both our spices. So we're gonna go with the powdered cloves and our cinnamon. And we mix very nice. 1 spoon of yellow mustard and mix. Now the special ingredient, 1 bottle of beer. Such an amazing smell of different flavors combined all together for a super delicious dish, guys. Now, pinch of salt. We take our slice of bread. We dip inside this amazing sauce, and we're gonna let it go really, really low fire. If you have the electric fire from 1 to 10, we go 2 for 2 hours. Look, guys, look. Look at how beautiful it is. After 2 hours of cooking, our super delicious spezzatino fiammingo. It is ready, guys. Let's plate it. We're gonna plate on a very nice base of steamed rice. Look, look, such an amazing juice. Wow! Mamma mia, ragazzi. The meat perfectly melt with all this delicious juice. Ladies and gentlemen, our spezzatino fiammingo, slowly cooked beef with beer is ready. Look at the meat. Look at how this meat is so soft and well cooked, guys, and so juicy. Mamma mia, I can't wait. Oh, mamma mia. Mamma mia, ragazzi! This is one of the best dish I ever made. So different level of flavors, the spiciness and the smokiness of this super delicious powdered cloves, plus the sweetness of the brown sugar, and last but not least, the special kick of the cinnamon with this smooth cream made with the beer. Guys, this is an amazing dish. Look how beautiful it is. Mamma mia, ragazzi. It's easy and delicious, guys. Check my step, make this recipe home. This is one of several ways I'm gonna show you how to make a super delicious slow cook beef in different recipe from different countries in the world to face and enjoy this amazing coming wintertime season. Of course, always with me in my kitchen for you. Se vedemo. Bye bye!